Ashley Knight spoke with officials at the app to see how it works. Ashley.
Well, guys, the app is called Giveling, and they've paid out a couple million already. Americans owe a staggering $1.3 trillion in student loans.
The average student loan payment is about $333 a month.
Typically meant to be paid off the 10 years following graduation, but that doesn't usually happen now, with loans in the tens of thousands.
It's just so overwhelming, and it can be very paralyzing to even think about.
Callie Jowers is a financial advisor with the Welch Group, and she knew what to do. She graduated college almost 10 years ago, and it's just about paid her loans off.
And I made some sacrifices early on in order to pay more in the beginning.
And many students may need to do the same, but for those who didn't, there's an app that might help. Giveling is a trivia app where users play to win money for student loans or their mortgage. But don't worry, you don't have to be a whiz kid to play.
And you can actually win if you're terrible at trivia.
And he says you don't have to spend money to win. The app has paid out $2.5 million to winners over the last 4 years. Most of that just since September, as its popularity and the brand have grown. But they make sure the money goes where it's supposed to.
We'll get their documentation about their student loan payment, and then we just submit that payment directly to the lender.
Testimonies on their Facebook page talk about lives changed, but Jowers warns students should have a plan before graduating.
Sometimes you might actually have to work and pay for those classes out of pocket, but there's just some tough questions that parents need to be talking to their children about what do you want to do and how does that really look in the real world.
Giveling has over 80 sponsors that help fund the loan payouts. The app was created by a woman who declared bankruptcy and was able to turn her life around dramatically and was able to retire early. This was her way of giving back. Ashley Knight, WBRC Fox 6 News, on your side.